Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this interesting geometry question. We're asked to find the area of the shaded region here. Originally the question was just to find the value of x, but I later modified a little bit. In order to find the area of the shaded region, we have to subtract the area of these two cycles from the area of the entire rectangle. What is left will be the area of the shaded region. And the area of rectangle cannot be obtained without finding the value of x. So let's get started with the solution. First of all, I would like to find the value of x. This is the center of this particular cycle, and we have another center here. If I should connect the centers together, the total length will be 13. From here to here is 8, from here to here is 5, 8 plus 5 is 13. And then I would like to form a right angle triangle here. This is a right angle triangle. The length here will be 5 centimeters. Let me even bring it out. Why is it 5? First of all, you should know that from here to here is 5. Right? From here to here is 8. That is 13, right? But we have a length in between them to cover the whole 18, because from here to here is 18. So the moment you remove that 13 from 18, what will be left is just 5. This is why I know it is 5. So what about this side length? We can also find it. I know that if I partition the rectangle like this, from here to here will be 8, from here to here will be 5, and in between will be x minus this plus this, which is x minus 13. So therefore, that particular side length is x minus 13. This is x minus 13. Now we can apply Pythagoras rule in order to find the value of x. This implies that x minus 13 squared is equal to hypotenuse squared minus 5 squared, the other side squared. And this is going to be 169 minus 25, and this is equal to 144, right? Yes. If you take square root of both sides, you have x minus 13 to be equal to 12, because square root of 144 is 12. Then x will definitely be equal to, as this one crosses over, it becomes positive. That is 12 plus 13, that is 25 cm. So this side length is 25. So for those of you looking for x, you're done. But for me, I am going to continue. So what will be the area of rectangle? Area, let me call it A of rectangle, something like this. This is going to be what? 25 multiplied by 18. What is 25 multiplied by 18? This is going to give us 450, right? Am I correct? Yes, 450. So this is 450 cm squared. That is the area of rectangle. But remember, in order to find the shaded area, we have to remove these two cycles, the area of these two cycles. The first one has a radius of 8, and the other one has a radius of 5. So area of bigger cycle is equal to pi r squared, which is equal to 64 pi. Then area of the smaller cycle is equal to pi 5 squared, which is equal to 25 pi. All of them centimeter squared. Therefore, the area of shaded part will be equal to 450 minus the sum of these two areas, 64 plus 25 pi, right? And what is 64 plus 25? This is going to give us 89, right? So this is 450, take away 89 pi. centimeter squared. So this is the area of that shaded region. That is if you are talking about exact area. But if you're talking about an approximated area, you can substitute the value of pi in here. Let me check my calculator. When we say 89 multiplied by pi, that will give us 450 minus 279.60 in 2 decimal places. So let me just subtract 450 minus 279.6. This is approximately 170.4 cm squared in 1 decimal place. But this particular area is the exact area, while this is just the approximated area. That is the difference between them. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye-bye.